So today I want to get this room sanded. So I'm going to finish filling in any of the voids with the filler. As you can see, I went a little crazy. Any little defect I filled. So we'll see if that helps, but I got this corner over here to do still. So I got most of the floor done, but I ran out of putty. And the place that sells this stuff is closed today. So what I think I'm going to do is just go ahead and sand it like this, and then I will fill in the last little gaps afterwards and then sand it back with the random orbit sander later. But yeah, not too many over here. These are pretty good. I just had like this hairline gap there to fill and a few over there, but so it should be okay. I'm going out, doing a little shopping, and I'm going to pick up the flooring sander. Woo! Looks like there's some kind of circus in town.
Good girl, Pancake. You stayed. I'm proud of you.
Really? Oh my god. Meal time.
Fragile.
Italian. Oh, toasty.
Oh, looks good.
Oh, I like that. That's cool.
That's a good one. So, I like that.
Toasties.
That's my won't break. Not there. Yes, in his hands. Good choice.
Ta-da!
Second vase. Toasty.
Love that.
I do. This one Matt picked out. I would not.
It's a bowl.
Chose this one, but
I like that one.
I know you do. So we'll use this for like salad.
Pastaghetti.
Or pasta. It's very pretty for certain. No way around it. Toasty. I like it. I think they're pretty.
They are. All handmade.
All handmade and hand painted.
Finally select.
Oh, you opened the thing on it?
It came like that.
Happy birthday. Okay.
That's Lauren's hut. That's Lauren.
Lauren holding the baby.
The backpack style.
Oh, what's so sad?
I don't know. She's coming home soon though.
I know. That's
Kiki
cute.
Rhino.
Look at that. That's so cute.
Rhino balloon style.
That's pretty. She must have got that when she went into the city.
Supposed to have some bad weather tonight. Check how fast those clouds are moving. You see that? It's trucking along. Got some high winds coming tonight. Grilling some corn for dinner. So here's one thing I've been meaning to try. Hopefully it works. Hey, did something right. Alright, let's see what I got at Harbor Freight. So I picked up a small winch. This is like a secondary winch for the trailer, or just to have around. Figured it couldn't hurt to have a small winch around. Picked up a cheap auto darkening welding helmet for welding. I think this was 35 bucks, so that's pretty good. I picked up a set of security bits. I got a couple of welding triangles. Those were just under $4 a piece. I picked up a mounting plate for that small winch. Chipping hammer, safety glasses. I always pick up at least one of these clamps every single time I go. I picked up a 1-foot clamp for $4. I got a pack of chip brushes for epoxy work. Another pair of safety glasses, those are $1. I got some heat shrink tubing, different sizes. Always handy to have around. Picked up a pair of welding gloves. Those were $8. Tape measure was $1.79, and a set of soapstones. Pretty good day at Harbor Freight. Grilling in the rain. Oh man. It's raining. I dumped a bag of sawdust out the window. There it goes. The drain.
When he's crying, it may not be the best time. It's supposed to be like, this is like fun. So you're supposed to put a little bit of it on his lips so he knows.
Squeeze it or something?
Well, no, it'll just come out. But calm him down first, because you don't want him to think that it's like a negative thing. So I would stop and like rock him maybe. Oh, his neck, my love.
Tummy time.
Alright, why don't you try now? He assumes it's okay. That sound. There we go. There, see? Just like that. No, don't let it go in too fast. You gotta work for it.
It's not doing anything. I'm sucking on it. Just put his face on it.
That's okay. He'll figure it out. If he doesn't figure it out today, he'll figure it out tomorrow. Or the next day. Okay, why don't you stop and give him a second. He's so hungry.
Look at that butt chin.
I'm gonna try to put him in the bassinet.
Alright. Good luck. So it's night in the shop. Here's what I'm up to. On my drum sander, I'm replacing this drive coupler assembly mechanism thingy. Pretty much totally destroyed at this point. I have no doubt that that's because I push it way too hard. A lot harder than it was made to be pushed. Too much end grain into that thing. So I'm going to see how long this takes me. Hopefully not too long. But I'm going to have to pull this motor off the unit to get to that, that coupling. So wish me luck. You guys have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow.